Hello, my name is Darren Szczepanski and I'm the co-founder and CEO of AqMB. AqMB is a cloud water treatment platform for integrated process design, product lifecycle management and predictive compliance in 3 products: Designer, SupplierLink and Profit. It's 70% faster than current methods, reducing risk in design and operation while enabling a virtual marketplace for designers. After 5 years of model development and validation by consultants for more than 40 different unit operations on over 30 operating plants, engineering firms around the world are realizing the value in AqMB for any non-biological treatment application. Do you know that on average, each water treatment plant ends up costing 30% more than the bid price? I lived this problem for 12 years, and this is on top of the risk, premiums, and contingencies we applied to each project. Why this is seemingly acceptable by the industry is beyond me, as it indirectly costs consumers more than $20 billion in a $60 billion industry. Now, when I was designing treatment plants for GE and Paul, my application engineers would send numerous spreadsheets for review and approval on process design and cost. Each of these customized documents required countless hours to isolate repeatable mistakes. What made things worse is that defining the process is the basis for other engineering disciplines. So any mistakes made here often impact mechanical, electrical, structural aspects, thus creating a massive multiplier on the overall cost of a project. Now, process designers are generally busy people. When they are deciding which equipment to specify on a project, they don't have a lot of time to shop around, so they might email a few suppliers they know and tailor designs around products they've already used before. SupplierLink gives every equipment vendor the opportunity to compete on a project by providing the designer with a discrete, confidential marketplace to get quotes and documentation from all suppliers who wish to bid, without any time penalty on the design phase. Only the designer requesting the quote will see the data, and they choose a level of confidentiality imposed on the vendor. The vendor can either respond with discrete pricing and equipment data, or simply pass on the opportunity. When the designer approves the quote, the data links into the equipment list and capital cost estimate, saving more time. And for the vendor, trade shows and tender sites are expensive, and the leads they generate can sometimes be years away or often unqualified. There's simply no better opportunity to get equipment considered for a project than connecting with the engineers specifying each component at the very time they are developing an actual process design. Now, that's a better use for the marketing budget, don't you think? But what makes a virtual marketplace like this possible? Only a credible, validated, scalable process design and simulation platform that really gives no reason for engineers to go back to their custom spreadsheets and old archaic ways. And that's what we've created with Designer. Solubility modeling and stream property prediction for inorganic, organic species, dissolved gases, heavy metals, pathogens, micropollutants, and other emerging contaminants really provides better characterization of water quality. Designer sizes equipment, it runs numerous models simultaneously, helping to explore alternative scenarios or solutions faster. Secure platform also enables quicker peer review with version and change control at any time without waiting for the formal design review. Connects design data with Autodesk software for BIM and exports all engineering deliverables to Excel, Word, and other formats. With Designer, engineers can really lock in the process design in under a day, buying 70% more time for vendor negotiation. By connecting with numerous suppliers simultaneously through SupplierLink, the designer gets vendor engagement when they need it most, and the vendor gets a qualified opportunity to grow the pipeline.